Hey everyone, PJ here. Thanksgiving's coming up. Maybe you're invited to someone's house, or maybe you're hosting. And then somebody asks, "What should we make?" Suddenly, you're planning a whole meal together. If you're learning English, that kind of conversation can feel a little overwhelming. Today, you'll meet Sofia and Jake. She's an international student experiencing her first American Thanksgiving. He's her roommate, and he's offering to cook together. They'll need to figure out the menu, divide up the tasks, and make it all happen. This is real planning, real collaboration, the kind of English you actually use. Let's dive in.
So, Sophia, you're staying here for Thanksgiving, right?
Yeah, I can't fly home. Too expensive.
Well, you're not spending it alone. We're cooking.
We? I don't know anything about Thanksgiving food.
That's fine. I'll teach you. It'll be fun.
What do people eat for Thanksgiving?
The main thing is turkey. A big roasted turkey.
Just turkey?
No. Turkey is the star, but there's a lot more.
Like what?
Stuffing, mashed potatoes, gravy, cranberry sauce.
Wait. Slow down. What's stuffing?
Oh, stuffing it's bread with herbs and vegetables. We put it inside the turkey.
Inside?
Yeah, or sometimes we bake it separately. Either way works.
Okay, and gravy?
Gravy is like a sauce. Brown sauce made from the turkey drippings.
Drippings?
The juices that come out when you cook the turkey.
Ah, okay. I understand.
You pour it over everything. Potatoes, turkey, stuffing.
Everything? Really?
Yeah, gravy makes everything better.
What about cranberry sauce? That sounds sweet.
It is sweet. It's made from cranberries, little red berries.
Sweet sauce with turkey? That's interesting.
I know it sounds weird, but trust me, sweet and savory together, perfect.
If you say so, what else?
We need vegetables. Green beans, maybe? Or Brussels sprouts?
I like green beans.
Green beans it is, and sweet potatoes.
Regular potatoes and sweet potatoes.
It's Thanksgiving. We don't hold back.
This is so much food.
That's the point. Leftovers for days.
Jake, I want to help, but I'm worried I'll mess something up.
You won't. We'll split the work. What do you feel comfortable making?
I don't know. What's easiest?
The cranberry sauce is pretty simple.
What do I do?
You just cook cranberries with sugar and water. That's it.
That's all?
Yep, it takes like 15 minutes. Super easy.
Okay, I can do that. What else?
The green beans. You can handle those too.
How do you make them?
We'll do them with butter and garlic. Simple but tasty.
Butter and garlic. I can remember that.
Perfect. I'll take care of the turkey.
The turkey is hard, right?
It takes time, but it's not too complicated. I've done it before.
How long does it take?
To cook? About 4 hours, maybe.
4 hours.
Yeah, it's a big bird, but most of that time it's just sitting in the oven.
What about the other stuff? Potatoes? Stuffing?
I can make the stuffing. My mom's recipe.
What's in it?
Bread cubes, celery, onions, chicken broth, and herbs like sage and thyme.
Sounds complicated.
It's really not. Just chop everything and mix it together.
If you say so. What about potatoes?
We can do those together. Both kinds.
How do you make mashed potatoes?
Boil them, mash them, add butter and milk. Easy.
And sweet potatoes?
For those, we'll do a casserole with marshmallows on top.
Wait, marshmallows on potatoes?
I know, sounds crazy, right?
Very crazy.
But it's tradition, and honestly, it's delicious.
Americans are wild.
You'll see. Trust the process.
We need to buy everything, right?
Yeah, let's make a list. You have paper?
Here.
Okay, first, turkey, obviously.
How big?
There's just 2 of us, but I'm inviting my friend Marcus too. Is that okay?
Of course. The more people, the better.
So 3 people. We need maybe a 12-pound turkey.
12 pounds. How much is that in kilos?
About 5.5 kilos.
That's huge.
Welcome to Thanksgiving.
Okay, turkey. What else?
Potatoes, regular and sweet. Maybe 5 pounds of each.
Got it. 5 pounds regular, 5 pounds sweet.
Cranberries. 2 bags should be enough.
Fresh cranberries?
Yeah, not the canned stuff. Fresh is better.
Okay. What else?
Green beans. 1 pound. Maybe.
1 pound. Check.
For stuffing, we need bread. A whole loaf, day old, is best.
Why day old?
It's drier, absorbs the broth better.
Oh, smart.
Also, celery, onions, butter, chicken broth.
Celery, onions, butter, broth.
Herbs, sage and thyme.
Fresh herbs.
If we can find them, dried works too.
What about the marshmallows?
Right, 1 bag of marshmallows. And brown sugar for the sweet potatoes.
This list is getting long.
We also need milk, more butter, garlic.
How much butter do we need?
A lot, like 2 sticks at least.
2 sticks?
It's Thanksgiving. Butter in everything.
You Americans and your butter.
Hey, don't knock it till you try it.
Fine, fine. What else?
Salt, pepper, olive oil. But we have those already.
When should we go shopping?
Tomorrow, stores get crazy right before Thanksgiving.
Tomorrow works. After class.
Perfect. Meet you at 4.
Deal. Jake, can I ask you something?
Sure, what's up?
Why is Thanksgiving so important? In America?
That's a good question. It's about being grateful, you know?
Grateful?
Thankful for what you have. Family, friends, food.
So it's not about the turkey.
The turkey is great, but that's not the point. The point is being together.
That's nice. In Mexico, we don't have Thanksgiving.
What do you do? For family gatherings?
We have different holidays. Christmas is big, and Day of the Dead.
Day of the Dead. I've heard of that.
We remember family who died. We cook their favorite foods, put out their photos.
That sounds beautiful.
It is. It's sad, but also happy. We celebrate their lives.
I like that. Celebrating life.
That's kind of like Thanksgiving, right? Celebrating together?
Yeah, exactly. Just different traditions.
Do you do anything special besides eating?
My family goes around the table. Everyone says what they're thankful for.
Oh, I like that.
It gets cheesy sometimes, but it's nice.
Should we do that when we eat?
We can. What would you say? What are you thankful for?
I'm thankful for this. Having somewhere to go for Thanksgiving.
You always have somewhere to go. You're not alone here.
Thanks, Jake. That means a lot.
Of course. What are roommates for?
I'm also thankful for learning new things, new foods, new traditions.
Your first American Thanksgiving. No pressure, but it better be good.
No pressure words? Now I'm nervous.
I'm kidding. It'll be great, even if we burn something.
Let's not burn anything.
Deal. No burning.
What are you thankful for?
Honestly, having a cool roommate. Could have been stuck with someone boring.
I'm not boring.
Not at all. You make things fun.
You too. I was nervous about living with an American, but you're easy to talk to.
See, we're lucky.
Yeah, we are.
Hey, Sophia?
Yeah,
I'm really glad you're doing this with me. Cooking, I mean.
me too. Even though I have no idea what I'm doing.
You'll be fine. And if anything goes wrong, we'll order pizza.
Pizza for Thanksgiving. Very traditional.
Hey, Plan B is important.
All right, so that's how you plan a Thanksgiving menu. Let's review the key phrases. To ask about the menu, what should we make? Or what do people usually eat? Simple questions that start the conversation. To divide tasks, what do you feel comfortable making? Or I can handle the. This helps you work together without anyone feeling overwhelmed. To make a shopping list, we need, followed by the ingredient. Keep it simple and clear. To ask about traditions, why is this important? Or what do you usually do? This shows you're interested in the culture, not just the food. Notice how Sophia asked questions when she didn't understand? That's exactly what you should do. Jake didn't make her feel bad for not knowing. He explained everything simply. That's what good conversations look like. Asking, explaining, learning together. Thanksgiving vocabulary might be new for you. Words like stuffing, gravy, cranberry sauce. Don't worry if you don't remember everything. You'll hear these words more as the holiday gets closer. Your homework. Think about a holiday meal from your country. What do you cook? Who helps? How do you plan it? Practice these sentences. For holiday, we usually make I'm in charge of. We need to buy. The most important dish is. Say them out loud. Get comfortable talking about your own traditions. Because here's the thing. When you're in an English-speaking country, people will ask about your culture too. These conversations go both ways. You learn about Thanksgiving. They learn about your holidays. That's what makes it interesting. Thanks for being here today. Hit subscribe if you want more real conversations like this. See you soon.